Nakapagpaputok ba lahat? Star runway. One more time. Oh, naparami. Here's sa... ayun yung basura. Ay, hindi pa tapos mag-vacuum. Ay, nandiyan na pala kayo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year naman sa inyo, no? Panibagong taon na naman. So for today's video, I will do a makeup look inspired by this year's Pantone Color. I already moisturized my face. So, dumako na tayo sa foundation. For foundation, I will mix this Maybelline Superstay Liquid Foundation and this Fresh Nude Cushion Foundation in the shade Almyros Almond. So, this year's Pantone color daw is gray and yellow. Di ko alam eksaktong term ng pagka-yellow and pagka-gray. Basta ang alam ko lang gray and yellow. Kamusta naman ang Pasko nyo? Ako, ang Pasko ko, wala pa. December 22 pa lang nung film ko to. Hindi pa nagpapasko. Muhuling hirit ako bago mag-holidays. For concealer, I will use this Bobbie Cosmetics Don't Go With The Flaw Color Corrector plus Concealer Palette. Nakapagpaputok ba lahat? Charot, bawal pala magpaputok. Kahit anong atang paputok, bawal. Nakita ko sa balita. Buo pa ba mga daliri? And I will set my face with this Maybelline Superstay 24-hour Full Coverage Powder Foundation. Gagawin ko lang yung brows ko off camera and I'll be right back. Ginawa ko na rin yung other eye off cam. So first things first, don't forget to prime your lids with some concealer. Since wala akong gray na eyeshadow, I will use this black shade and light-handed ko siyang i-diffuse para maging gray. It's okay kung black na black pa siya. I-diffuse natin siya para maging light yung color, maging gray. Diffuse lang ng diffuse para maging light pa siya. And para maging mas light pa siya, gagamit ako ng malinis na brush. And ito rin ang ipang di-diffuse ko. Habang taki pa yung eyelid ko dahil sa concealer, ilalagay ko na yung yellow shade para mas kumapit yung color. Then blend out the edges. For the first coat ng shimmer, gagamit ako ng finger. At may nagva-vacuum. Patapusin muna natin. Para sa second coat ng shimmer, gagamit ako ng flat brush and babasain ko lang siya. And yung ginamit kong malinis na brush kanina, lilinisin ko yung edges para mag-blend sila. For my falsies, I will use this Dingsen Fashion Eyelashes in 3D71. To bind my natural lashes and not falsies, I will use this Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. Time for contour, and I will use this Bobbie Cosmetics Glim Squad Contour and Stroke. I will carve out my contour with some loose powder, and I will use this Nichido Final Powder in Ivory Glow. For my blush, I will use this Bobbie Cosmetics Insta Runway Ready. One more time. For my blush, I will use this Bobbie Cosmetics Insta Runway Ready Contour Kit and this shade. So, tapusin na natin ang eyes. For my lower lash line, I will use this black shade again. Siguro hanggang sa kalahati lang na lower lash line. Oh, naparami. Shucks, naparami. So, gaya niyan, pag naparami kayo, diffuse nyo lang ng diffuse ng brush hanggang sa tuluyan lang mag-light yung color. At dahil ayaw niya nang ma-diffuse, tubuin ko na yung lower lash line. Ayan yung basura. At dahil maarte ako, maglalagay ako ng glitters dyan sa inner part ng lower lash line. Pak! Happy New Year! Di pa tayo tapos sa mga pakinang. So for my highlighter, I will use this Morphe High Impact Highlighter. Finally, lips. For my lips, gagawin ko ulit yung favorite technique ko sa lips. Para maging full, I will use this contour again para i-outline yung lips. Ay, hindi pa tapos mag-vacuum. And if you fill in ko yung lips ko with this Wise Cosmetics Good Vibes Matte Lipstick in the shade Hayaba Yabayu. And lastly, don't forget to set your face with some setting spray. And that's it, my 2021 Pantone color of the year, gray and yellow. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love this look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you in the next video. Happy New Year!